In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable WhatsApp dark mode. The WhatsApp dark mode changes the theme from either system theme or light theme to dark mode, and this is best for operating WhatsApp at night. So if you use your WhatsApp while you want to sleep, it is advisable to enable the WhatsApp dark mode. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the quick step on how you can enable WhatsApp dark mode on your phone. Meanwhile, the step to enable WhatsApp dark mode on Android might be slightly different to the step to enable WhatsApp dark mode on iPhone. So this video is categorically for Android users. So if you want to learn how to enable WhatsApp dark mode on Android, you need to follow this. Now for iPhone users, all you need to do is subscribe to this YouTube channel so that when we release a new video on how to enable WhatsApp dark mode on iPhone, you will be notified. Now, the first thing you want to do to enable WhatsApp dark mode on your WhatsApp account is launch the WhatsApp app and go to your profile page. So to access your profile page, you can just tap on the profile icon at the top right if you are using the latest WhatsApp app on your phone. And if you are using the outdated WhatsApp without the WhatsApp channel, you just need to tap on the three dots at the top right and click on profile. So the first thing you want to do is click on chat. Once you click on chat, under chat you should see display, and under display you should see theme and wallpaper. Then click on theme, and here you have three options available: the system default, light and dark. With the system default, you will be able to use your system mode on your WhatsApp. So if you set your system or your Android to dark mode, it will automatically affect your WhatsApp. So if you're using the dark mode on your Android phone, you can just set the theme option to system default and it will switch your WhatsApp mode to the system default. And by default, it has to be light. Now click on dark. Once you click on the dark mode, then you want to tap on the OK button. And once you tap on the OK button, instantly your WhatsApp mode will switch from light mode to dark mode, and then you can operate your WhatsApp mode in dark mode. This will automatically applicable to all your WhatsApp chats. So this is how to set WhatsApp dark mode on Android. If this video is helpful, you want to hit the like button and follow for more tips just like this.